guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Adam with NT-05. So today what we got, as you saw, we had the CLK55, we did the TCU tune, the ECU tune, and we dropped all those pounds, and we're spinning pretty bad. So what we had on here were factory to 45, 40 17s. Now, they did okay, they did it right, but we just spin like hella. So what we're doing, we're gonna upgrade a big upgrade in tires. So let's show you the truck. So we got the handy-dandy ML55 seat drop back. Good thing about this car, so we're going to get rid of these tires. They were still okay. They had a little bit of tread left. We're going to upgrade to some 275s. So they should fit. We're going to go take it over there and see what happens. All right, so here's the tires. We got some NT-01s. They're 275 40 17s. So they're about, what is that, like 30 millimeters wider than our factory ones. They're super sticky. They're a 200 tread wear. And they fit on our factory rims. So as you can see, I don't know if you're going to really be able to tell. I'm going to try to show you like the difference in footprint. I don't know, can you see that? So you can see right here, it's basically this much more. So we're going to throw them on the car and see if we get any faults or any codes and see how they come out. Alright, so we got the 275s on. This is with factory hardware and everything. So the one little issue we did, well, we didn't even have an issue. So when we put it on, they spin freely, they don't rub. They were like 2 millimeters away. So what we did is we cut this, and it gave us so much more room. I'll show you what we cut. Come over here. So they cleared. I didn't have to cut this, but the only reason I did cut it is because if you look right here, you see this like carpet? It was giving a little bit, and this is actually like probably 3 or 4 mils. And that's all I did was cut away right there. And now it's 100% not going to hit at all. We're going to throw the other one on, and then drop it down and see how it looks. Alright, so we're going to start dropping it and see if they actually fit pretty good. You can start bringing it down. Oh, they don't poke out bad at all. They're almost perfect. So we're gonna shake the suspension a little bit, get everything to sit, but they're looking pretty good. All right, so we just took it for a test drive. Man, it is night and day difference. As you see, it fits like perfect with the body line. Like even when we drop it, because it's still a pretty lifted up car, it's hooking up a lot better now. Like at 40 rolls, we're hooking up dead. 20, we spin a little bit, but we still gotta do suspension, and these are ice cold tires. Also, what we did notice, so we got them installed, and they have them set at like, what was it, like 37 PSI? So we're going to drop these bad boys down to 29 and see how we like it, and then just keep dropping them a little bit, because these you should build a low. You could ride pretty low on these. Alright, so now that we got the NT-05s on the rear, the 275s, we're super happy with them, but we also kind of, the front tires we had were a little bit old, a little bit dry rotted, so what we do, we went, bam! Upgrade to the front. So these are basically just the factory size, 225, 40 17s, or actually I think it's 225, 45 17s, and these are the Neo Gens. So they're not the NT-01s or NT-05s. We didn't think we needed that much grip up front, but these still should be so much more grippier than the other ones that we had here, and they're a little bit lighter. So we're pretty happy with that. Alright, so now that we got the front and rear tires all set up, hopefully we should not spin anymore. This should make a huge difference because, like I said earlier, we went from a 245 rear to a 275 and a lot more stickier. So we might spin a little bit, but I'm hoping from a 20 roll and all that stuff, the car will be night and day difference now. Especially now that we got that fancy TCU tune and ECU tune. Alright, so we're over here back in a different part of Mexico. Same place we kind of did the pools last time with this car. So now, if you remember, it's got the TCU, ECU, exhaust, lightweight, and now we got the sticker tires, so we're hoping we could grip up more. It still is like 95 degrees out here. It's very hot. We got a GoPro on the car. We're gonna see how much better we can do. not perfect, but these are not drag radials, but by far that is hooking up a lot better than it did before. And as you saw, I was with a teeny little bird out just to get some of the dirt off, but those tires are so much more sticky than those normal trash ones we got. So now we're gonna try to do another little 20 pull after we just did that dig and see what happens. And as you can see from those tire marks, it definitely didn't have that much contact pack. We'll probably have to drop down the PSI a little bit, but they're pretty even. So not bad at all. All right, now we're gonna do a little 20 pull and see if it hooks up a lot better. Alright, so we did the back and forth data with the tires. These tires make a huge difference over what we had, like just going to this testing. As you see, we hook up on a 20 roll like almost perfectly a lot. The dig, it still spins a little bit, but not that bad. As you saw, we had like a 5-foot stretch, where before with the other ones, you would just burn out like almost the whole way. So we're super happy with the tires. We're not really gonna go put a full slick on this because we still drive it around daily. Maybe one day we will, but super happy with it. I hope you guys liked the video. Next, what we might do in a little bit, we're shopping around for prices, getting full suspension for this, because as you can see, it's pretty tall right now. So we'll probably go full coilovers on this car. We're shopping around trying to find deals right now. So hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, guys. Put a comment down. Tell me what else you want us to do with this car, because right now it's getting super fast and it's getting fun and fast. So it's not super fast because we got faster cars, but still a fun car that we got for cheap. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.
Weird.